RP Future Millionaire, and every single thing across all markets are starting to come to fruition. I talked about how we had a safe haven in gold, silver, commodity stocks, crude oil, and petroleum, how the DXY was about to go up to 96.23 to prelude a drop in the crypto markets, and then the DXY would probably come back down and retest down at its old support. And right now it's playing out exactly that. Petroleum is breaking out. Crude oil broke out over the 90 handle as I predicted. I predicted to be up at $100 in a short term. We talked about the gold and silver markets, how they're ready to break out, and gold over 1850. Silver's approaching 2350. We talked about the mining stocks. We spotlighted Fortuna Silver Mines up 6% today. Commerce Resources down, but that's a temporary. That's people selling out because it was up to 1840. Now you get this quick sale because it's on the OTC. So that's a phenomenal price to try to buy into CMR CF before this next push. Wheat and precious metals up 4%. Barrick Gold up 5.8%. Equinox up 5.46%. Kinross Gold 4.95%. B2 Gold up 5.39%. Yamana up almost 7%. AU's up almost 1%, but it was up 8.5% yesterday. GPL up almost 5%. You got NEO down 4.06% and Fuel Cell down 1.66%. We had puts that I told you to put on when NEO was near 26 and Fuel Cell was at about 510. Total crypto market cap's starting to plunge down to 1.916 trillion. We just talked about how these were going to collapse to set up for a pump. Algo's approaching that 90 target, almost to the 94 support, 95 support. XRP broke to 80 cents. Now I expect it to be down at 75.5 roughly. And then we could have a massive, massive bounce. For all these reasons and more, to keep every market straight, there's nobody who can do it as good as I. Join Tom's Army, $9.99 a month. Stay one step ahead because you get my exclusive Telegram that I give to every member of Tom's Army that supports me and shows that good faith. I give it to you exclusively. There's no way to buy it. There's 193 people in there right now, and we have 214 members of Tom's Army. Join the ever-growing and groundbreaking format that we're representing and presenting in the best community that I believe on YouTube, period. A lot of helpful minds in that Telegram. Join now, $9.99 a month, Tom's Army.